Create a new composition of 1920 by 1080 size. Then create a new text layer and type your text inside the layer. Align the text layer to center of composition. Then open the Properties of Text layer, and click Animate button. Choose Character Offset from the menu. Click the Add button and select Opacity from Properties. Turn down opacity to 0%. Click Range Selector option, and add a keyframe at the start. Now move the playhead 1 second ahead, and add a keyframe of 100%. Adjust the keyframes for speed variations. Now open up the Advanced option, and keep the smoothness to 0%. Boom, and your typewriter text effect is ready. Now we need to add typewriter sound effect to our animation. You can download these sound effects from link down in the description for free. Import the sound effect and adjust it according to our animation. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and amazing videos.